Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish broth from fish heads. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 to 2 pounds of fish heads and bones, ensuring they are fresh and clean. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots roughly chopped. Don't forget a bay leaf, a few peppercorns, and some fresh parsley. Finally, have 8 cups of cold water ready to go. Now, let's get cooking. Place your fish heads, bones, and all the chopped vegetables into a large stock pot. Pour in the 8 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, but do not boil. Let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, carefully skimming off any foam that rises to the surface during this time. Once your broth has simmered, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into another clean bowl or pot. Discard all the solids, including the fish heads and vegetables, as their flavor has been extracted. For an even clearer broth, you can strain it a second time through a cheesecloth-lined sieve. Let the broth cool completely. Your delicious fish broth is now ready. Once it has cooled completely, transfer it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate the broth for up to 3 days or freeze it for up to 3 months for longer storage. This versatile broth is perfect as a base for seafood soups, flavorful stews, or delicate sauces. You can also reduce it for a more concentrated flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.